Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to disable OK Google. So first, open settings, just scroll down from the top and scroll down again. And press on the settings button here. In settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. Here click on all services and scroll down again to the search and system and voice section. Now click on Google Assistant. And here at the top you can see Hey Google Voice Match. If it's not in popular settings, just scroll down and find it. You can delete your voice model if you want to. Press OK. And as you can see, it disabled Hey Google. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like and a comment. And goodbye.